I got the 987 Cayman here. I've been trying to figure out the misfiring codes, and I've done a lot of work already on the car. Spark plugs, coil packs, drive belts, cleaned the MAF, oil change, and it's still doing the misfire blinking light and also the check engine light for the misfires. But the car runs really good. I don't know what's going on, so I'm actually here dropping it off at a shop nearby my house. We're gonna try to see what we can figure out why it's doing that. I've read online that it's very common for these cars to do that while warming up. It has a lot to do with the carbon buildup, so stay tuned for the updates. What's going on, everybody? Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Wanted to make this quick video and a quick update on the 987 Cayman. I'm on the way to the shop right now to drop off some parts to get it fixed. We ended up needing to order some headers and O2 sensors. What ended up happening was, so we had some vacuum leaks that we addressed, and after that we figured out that the cats were clogged and bad, so we ordered some new headers and O2 sensors. So we're on the way to go ahead and drop that off. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, we're just pulling up to the shop now. It was a quick drive from me. Luckily for me, the shop is not too far from my house. So I haven't seen the car in like 2 weeks or so. So I'm really excited to see how she is, and hopefully we can get her back on the road soon. So I'll see you guys in a bit when we see the car. Got an AM4 competition at the shop. Sick. Look at this thing. It's nice. I want one of these. His car's been sitting up in this lift for about 2 weeks now, so hopefully we can get her back on the road soon. It's a little rusty. So I don't think the car's gonna get done today, guys, because I just opened the box for the headers, the exhaust manifold, and they didn't come with the gaskets. So that's a big bummer, and I'm calling all around looking for having them in stock, and I'm probably gonna have to order online and see if I could rush deliver it. But for right now, it's a bummer that I can't get the car put back together. So I guess we're gonna have to just check back with you when I get the parts in. All right, guys, it's the next day. Finally got the parts here. We got the gaskets for the exhaust manifold. We got the new bolts and nuts. So I'm on the way to the shop to drop them off. Big thanks to FCP Euro for getting it here really quickly. I ordered it yesterday around early afternoon, and it came here just now, lunchtime. So let's hopefully get the car back on the road today. Let's go. All right, so we got the parts right here. Look, we got the 2 exhaust manifolds. We got some manifold bolts. We got some exhaust gasket. We got some exhaust bolts. So hopefully we can get this car back on the road, guys. And as always, if you like what you see, consider subscribing, like the video, hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments below what you think. All right, guys, see you later. All right, guys, look, the headliner's done. Nice suede. No more sagging. No more fluffy clouds.